Hello everyone, I Prasad Bharatafri from class 11.
I, Rajesh Sanjay Guru from class 11.
Today we are going to represent on the topic of waste management, and in that we are going to talk about removal of impurities from air and water.
So, what is the need of removal of impurities from air and water? First, to have clean access to clean drinking water. Second, prevention of waterborne diseases like typhoid and cholera. Third, to reduce the number of deaths caused due to waterborne diseases, which are 8,40,000 deaths annually.
Now, what are the scientific concepts used in our project? First of all, there are sedimentation, filtration, separation, coagulation, flocculation, and also thermal softening.
So, what are the materials required for this project? So, we have a clay vessel, a muslin cloth, a large stones, small stones, charcoal, and diatomaceous earth, and a collecting duct.
Now we will know about the description and procedure of both the projects. First, we will know about this. So why this is needed? This helps in reducing the spreading of diseases in the environment and also reduces the spreading of hazardous gases. Now we will know. First, you have to a clay vessel. And then we have put the all materials in the following order. First we have put diatomaceous earth, then charcoal, then small stones, and then large stones. Then we have covered the top of the vessel with a muslin cloth. And there is a collecting duct where all the dirty water will get purified and will get collected. So the water may contain many other types of impurities. There are mainly two. First is biological impurities like fungi, algae. So how we will remove that? We will remove it by the process of filtration. We will take ceramic filters and that will filtrate all the biological waste. Then talking about second is colloidal waste. Colloidal waste like amino acids and organic waste. How to remove them? The process of coagulation and flocculation will help in it. Now we will talk about the second one.
So, in this second model, we have electrostatic precipitator through which polluted air or flue gas is passed through it. So, when this air gas is passed through it, there are multiple electrodes and anode electrodes present in it. The anode electrode is directly connected to the ground so that the anode the dust gets discharged and the dust particles will get collected. So when this gas is passed through it, the electrodes will release free electrons which will get attached to the dust particles as well as the pollutants. And these pollutants will get attracted towards the anode since anode is positively charged but the particles are negatively charged. So there is a force of attraction. So these particles when get attached to the anode, then the dust gets formed. Dust and other pollutants layer gets formed. So when it is connected to ground, the ground helps to discharge the anode and hence the dirt or the dust and the pollutants fall off and they get collected into a collecting duct.
Now, how the waste management helps us, or what are the advantages of waste management? It helps us in purifying the environment and making it pollution free. It is also helping us to reduce all the spreading of diseases and hazardous gases in the environment. First of all, this system, if we talk about this, it is made up of clay vessel. So it will boost the production of clay and will help small manufacturers for getting money, and therefore this point towards the first sustainable development goal, that is no poverty. So by increasing the production of the vessel or clay vessels, the people who are making this can get money through this, and therefore waste management is waste management makes a major role in the sustainable development goals. Now we will talk about the disadvantages of the project.
So the disadvantages of this project are: first, the waste generated in this process can be used as a source of energy using heat energy, but while using the heat energy, the waste also releases some harmful toxic gases which will lead to very respiratory as well as the pulmonary disease and will also contribute towards the pollution. Second, if the waste generated in this project is not managed properly, then it will lead to groundwater contamination as well as the surface water contamination.
Now we will know about the applications of waste management.
So the applications of the waste management are: The wastage like plastics generated in this can be used with concrete to create roads. In many places, there are using this technology where they are using concrete as well as plastic mixed and they are using it to layer the road. And it can be also used to make various DIYs. Since this project is also useful as it follows the rules of reusing, reducing, and recycling purposes.
Now, what are the conclusions of this project? First of all, waste management is necessary for the future generation to live a healthy and clean life. And second, we have to note the point that if the waste is not disposed properly, it may lead to release of many hazardous gases into the environment and can cause or spread many harmful diseases. So this was our project. So reference of this project, that the reference we get was from our parents, from our friends, from our teachers, and also from a channel known as National Geography. Thanks a lot.